Our planet is a beautiful place to live in. We can help preserve our environment by using 100% eco-friendly products that will keep the high quality of the water in it. We need to change our habits now to save our planet in the future. Washing clothes with the Eco Laundry Ball is the first step and is easy for everyone. When you wash your clothes with the Eco Laundry Ball, it cleans them effectively with no detergent. The Eco Laundry Ball is composed of different kinds of ceramic pellets: alkaline, antibiotic, decontamination, and infrared. The physical integrations of these elements leave the clothes clean, pure, and fresh after every wash. By using the Eco Laundry Ball, you're contributing to preserving the environment while ensuring that your laundry is always spotless. The ceramic pellets inside the Eco Ball do all the work for you, washing the clothes naturally. Your laundry will be soft and naturally fresh. No need to use fabric softener with the Eco Laundry Ball, since there are no chemicals in the water. Your laundry remains naturally soft and spotless. The Eco Laundry Ball is designed to last up to 1,000 washes of 5 kilo loads. There is no need to buy detergents, and there's less consumption of water, electricity, packaging and waste. You save money while contributing to a cleaner, better environment. Let's have our world clean and green. Share wellness, committed to your health and environment.